Hi everybody, and welcome to our series of videos on Redgate ReadyRoll, part of the Redgate SQL toolbelt. In this video we're going to look at how we can take an existing development database and import the schema into a brand new ReadyRoll project in Visual Studio. So if I open up Visual Studio here, you can see in the SQL Server Object Explorer I have this development database DevOps_Tom, and what I want to do is create a new project to import this into so that I can start capturing my changes and deploying those changes out in a safe and reliable manner. So to do this, I'm going to create a new project and select the ReadyRoll SQL Server Database project type from the SQL Server subcategory and give this project a name. So in this case, I'm going to call this Database DevOps. I'm going to choose to add this to source control and click OK. Once this has created the project, we then need to connect this project up to our existing development database, that database DevOps_Tom database that we looked at moments ago. When we've got that connection in place, we can then import the database. So to connect that database, I'm going to click on Connect to Database and then browse to my local SQL Server instance, in this case Win 2016, and then select that database DevOps_Tom database. Once that's connected, we then click Import Database to bring all of our database objects into our ReadyRoll project. And what we'll see under this Migrations folder here is it will automatically create for us a script that has the representation of all of those existing objects contained within it. So this will be creates for all of our tables, our stored procedures, so on and so forth. And we can see that here as it's been produced for us. So at the moment it has a unique name but not a very identifiable name. I'm going to change that, so I'm going to remove this end part and just adjust this to initial schema so that it tells me a little bit more about what this script represents. So once this is done, we've actually imported all of our database objects into our project and we're ready to start moving on to the next steps in our development process. Now, please join me for later videos in this series where we'll look at more tips and tricks of how to get started with Redgate ReadyRoll and particularly how to source control static data alongside our schema objects. Thanks very much.